god, they are so wide. We are headed to the DFW airport and it's so big, but it's so confusing. Every time I come here, like I have to go round and round looking for gates. But yeah, let's see how today's go. Nimenotice hizi building prime za huku wako na nini painting tofauti na model tofauti. Unaona kama hii inajiita New York but wako na model. Guys, just see the entrance of this Airbnb. I'm telling you, you might think you're getting into White House. The place is so serene, so nice, nice security. Oh, I can't wait to do a room tour for you. Meanwhile, yeah, we are tired. Let's offload our luggage and I'll see you in a bit. Later, we were out and about exploring Las Vegas. We took a couple of pictures walking along the streets. And yeah, it was a beautiful evening. And I guess life was starting at this time because it's usually so hot during the day. So during the evening, everything is cool. So people are so many outside. And yeah, you have to go to Vegas and experience these. I didn't want to miss the Strat. This is one of the statues. When you go to Vegas, you have to take a picture of the Strat. It's along the street. So yeah, you can only see this Strat in Vegas. I love you, Vegas. The day came to an end and we ended up doing some barbecue at the side of the swimming pool. We also had some drinks with friends, catching up. And it was a nice evening, really nice evening. The music was on, but definitely I couldn't keep it here because of the copyright. Otherwise, it was a day well spent. I really love Vegas. For some reasons, when I go there, I feel so relaxed, so relaxed. So, yeah, see you tomorrow. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you doing? Finally, we are in Vegas. As I told you, we'll be coming to Vegas for a few days. And yeah, here we are. But guys, I'm telling you, it's so hot, really hot. Like you can't get outside. You can't get outside. You just want to start next to the AC. If the AC is not too much, then we go to the swimming. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nima. This is where we have good vibes. We just do normal things that any normal person do. So don't expect to see, oh,
she do this, I just do me. So you watch me, okay? First and foremost, where do you stay when you come to Vegas? Most of the time, several times I've come here, I've been staying in hotels. And you always want to experience this kind of hotel, the one we see online has those amenities. But I'm telling you, what do you call this? The Airbnb, or this Airbnb are the game changer. This one can't match a hotel. You have a whole of this kitchen on your own. Apart from that, you have hi. We never go on vacation. Yes. Hi. You want to say hi to my viewers? Say hi. Oh. Okay. She really wants the attention, so I'm already giving her her dues. So guys, yeah, we just woke up like a few minutes ago, so I want to try and fix something, and this is not the usual kitchen, you know. So, some food for baby and some fruits. So
As you can see, the kitchen has all the equipment that you need to use. It's just like your home. So we have the double door fridge, we have the microwave, we have the cooker, we have the kettle for hot water, we also have the toaster. Yeah, basically anything you need in the kitchen, we got it here. It made our life so simple, and we really enjoyed our stay here.
you have a sitting area, like you can see it, all of you, even if you came for a party. It's so big. Let me stand on the other side. And yeah, I'm collecting beautiful moments here in Vegas. So, let me show you first. We have a TV here. From the TV, those who like to play games, we have several games here. This is one of them. The guys who love pool, you guys are here. And as you're playing pool, you want a mini bar. There's like a mini bar there. And you have all your tools for your pool here. You can see them. So this is the first floor area, and the exit is here, and this door, maximum security. So I can open from inside, but oh guys, it's scorching outside. Whew, look at the heat. I think we are 100 plus. But I love the environment. It's so nice. It's so clean. It's so quiet. Oh, I love it. So yeah, as you get in, there's some security here. You have to put on your numbers, and you just lock yourself in, and you are safe. So as you go upstairs, you have bedrooms. So I don't want to peep into those bedrooms because you have several people staying with me here. But this is my master. So I'm staying in the master one with me and baby. You have a towel area. All this is towel area. You have the ironing board, the ironing box. Then you have this hallway here. not forgetting this one. This is very important, especially now that it's very hot. It's very important in this house. So I won't get into the guest bedrooms, but you have the guest bathrooms, and they are so clean, really clean. So this is their what do you call this? This is a closed bathtub, closed bathroom. Yeah, looks good, and it's huge. It doesn't matter how many pounds you are, see. So I like the color too. So I'm really stealing some tips here when it comes to building, because they really improvise this space so good. So yeah, this is the, look at those lights. There you go. See? So yeah, this is the guest bathrooms. Let me close it. So you have one there. You have that bedroom has one bed. The other one has twin bed, and this other one has only one bed. So you can fit how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can fit like 7 people in this place. And remember, you can also share. So maybe times 2, because the double decker has it's 4 beds, and the other beds you can share. So let's assume you have your kids, all your kids can, maybe 3 or 5 kids can be in one room. Then you have this one, the adults can stay, and yeah, you can share too. So yeah, this is the Airbnb that we are in, and it's really clean. These people have really maintained this place. I really love it. And so this is the garage. You can park 2 to 3 cars, and there's also parking outside. So yeah, this is the garage. You have a washer and a dryer. You have towels for the swimming pool. Yes, mommy. And you have a store. You have everything in the store here that you need to use, all by the management. So yeah, it's a nice Airbnb. So once you get in from the garage or the side door, you exactly get into the, this is the living room. You have a massage chair. There are also some games to play here. So you have this one, and you have another one here, and you have your bar up there and the kitchen. Yeah, nice space, nice utilized. And yeah, your TV, some art, very nice space. Yeah. You don't have to book a hotel. This is good for a family. Very nice place.
These games came in handy, so handy, because when you're bored watching the TV, you have the games to play. And even some of them I've never known how to play them, but I tried. You also have a massage chair, and this was the best corner. The massage chair was really nice, and we really took it in turns because everybody wanted to experience it. Oh, the sun is scorching. The sun is scorching. There's a swimming pool here. There's barbecue area here. There's some small ground here, and it goes all the way to the back. And you have a fan and a nice gazebo here. Put the lights at night and see how it looks.
And you have a device here for floating. So this is the outside porch. Oh, the sun is too much. I need to get in.
That's the mini house tour for our staycation. Is it a villa or a house? Whatever it is. But yeah, it serves everything that you need in your staycation. I'm telling you, it's more than a hotel.